Did you know that you can change the custom image of a project on Asana? Let me show you how. So what you want to do is simply right click on a project. Here you can see these projects that they have a specific color towards the left hand side, but you can right click on them and go set color and icon. Not only can you basically change these icons, but you can upload your own. So here you will see that you can choose a PNG or JPEG, right? And it must be under 5 megs. I'm gonna just see if I have an image I can choose, right? But let's say you have something, you can click on it and you can just basically add it. So I'm gonna choose this random image right here, and you can see that it is trying to load up that image, and right now it's basically have the dark or light option. Whatever one you choose, I'm going to just simply click on apply, and then you will see that I've changed the icon color of this project. And that's it, guys. So if you want to change your project icons or color or image, you can easily go ahead and do that in Asana.